Good morning, YouTubers, gunners, subscribers. Good afternoon, good evening, whatever time you're watching this video. I want to start off first and foremost into wishing all of you a healthy journey through this coronavirus thing. We have the party next week. We don't know exactly what we're doing, if we're going to postpone it, if we're going to go through with it. I just got word that my son's school has been shut down. Now, today's an important day. Today we pick up a new giveaway car. Today we pick up a new build. I'll be honest with you, I'm super bored. I've got nothing going on here. I really want to start working. I don't want to stay stagnant. So today we're picking up a new project. It's called Coby. So take this journey with me to New Jersey. We're going to pick up the car. I'm waiting for either Manny or a ride to New Jersey so I can drive the car back. And that's what we're doing for today. Again, with this whole coronavirus thing, guys, don't shake no one's hand, man. Try to stay clean. If you know someone that's been exposed to it, have them report it immediately so they can be put in quarantine so they don't spread it. We all can do our part if we work together. Just got wind that my lawyer has it. And she told me that basically, another lawyer gave it to her and she never reported it to the courts. So she exposed over 100 people here. This thing is real. I thought this was some other type of thing, if you know what we're talking about. We really don't cover that on my vlogs. But this thing is real, man. And please, everyone out there, man, I love you guys so much. I don't want to see anyone get sick over this. Watch over the elderly. Watch over your family, your children. And yeah, I don't know how we're going to make this exciting, but yeah, let's keep gunning. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
That was my ride, boys. Gunner Red. Big dog Chris. There we go, boys. My man Gunner Red, Big Chrissy came through. We're gonna head over to Jersey now and go pick up Coby. Boys, there's Coby right there. You see the gunner. You see the gunner with his plate. What's up, my boy? How you doing, man? Hey guys, so check this out. Before I show you Coby and we do the review on that, I wanted to show you guys this original 1993 Honda EG. Got it down from Maryland. Look, original quarter panels, no rust. This car is in immaculate condition. It's super dirty, but look how clean the interior is. It's the blue interior that Honda offered in this year. I don't know exactly what years this all blue came in, but this car is it's immaculate, dude. Like, this color just looks so dope. It's got a full GSR in it. He wants me to work on it and make it boost for him. That's how old school it is, man. It's still got the VTEC controller. But I wanted to share this with you guys before we move on to Coby, because it's rare that we get to see like a 28, 25-year-old Honda this damn clean. All original, never painted. It's got TEs on it. Original front end. Wow. Yeah, open the hood. Let me show them under the hood. So it's just got a stock GSR in it. All original. I'm telling you, these cars are going to become extinct soon, man. It's going to be so hard for us to find Hondas. It's not even going to be funny. The original 8. I remember, like, as an 18-year-old kid, 15, 16, this was like the greatest thing to have when we were younger. But Javier did a great job with this car. Projector headlights, who remembers those, huh? I can't believe it. And here it is, guys. So Coby, 2000 EK hatch automatic. I paid $2,000 for it. Some people will probably cry that it's a little too much money, but the main thing that I wanted to do was get an original car to where I can do all the work to it. So you're not going to see this car like this for very long. So there are some minor dings and bangs. Like the quarter panel here is like the worst part. But it's an original 2000 with everything in it. It's not missing anything. I think it's a good find. All the matching VIN numbers throughout the bumpers and trunk. This side is the most, you know, it's the cleanest side here. He got it from an auction. What happened here? I think somebody just took the radio and whatnot, but needless to say, the car is all original. Single cam, I'll be ripping this out soon. I know a lot of people are going to ask me, what am I selling? I really want to just get all these parts crispy. So I'll probably sell the front end, the back bumper, the motor, whatever in the interior and whatnot. Let me show you guys inside. Not too bad, the condition of the interior. Again, they broke the ignition, and it looks like they just stole a radio system, whatever was in here. But it's all original inside. Everything is functioning. Everything is working. I'm just waiting for his brother to bring the title so I don't drive with the dealer plate without the title. So almost 200,000 miles on this chassis. And I'll say it's in pretty good condition, man. I did a pretty good job cleaning it up. But we got some big plans for Coby. So like we're doing basically like a tribute built to Coby Bryant. No clout chasing. If you know who Coby is to me, you know who Coby is to me. So full yellow. We'll do the matte black, matte purple rims. Some real fun things. And at the same time, more content, right? More content for me to show you guys how to correctly work on cars. And I know a lot of people miss the Scarlet videos, but yeah, this is, we'll do we'll maybe make a playlist that says EKK series. It'll be that full DIY to where you don't need anyone, you don't need any help from anybody, you don't got to read no forums, just simply watch the videos, and I'm going to show you how this car is going to look in a couple of months. So I went ahead and just got ready for my thumbnail photo. Maybe you guys can see it a little bit better right here without a car next to it. Like I said, was just aiming for a bone stock car, something that's like basically a virgin. And even though it kind of like molested it inside, stealing the radio, fortunately there's no accidents reported on the Carfax. It's not a salvage title. Everything is clean with the title, and that's what I'm most worried about. So everything is good to go with Project Coby. So give me some insight too in the comments, man. We're gonna drive this back to New York. I'll grab a few scenes from that, but give me some comments on you know, I'll take suggestions, man. So the theme is gonna be yellow, Type R yellow. I believe it's Y56. Purple rims, K24, purple accessories. So basically a Laker theme, a Coby Bryant theme, all yellow. Let me know how excited you guys are about that. Let me get ready to get home now. Well, first reaction to driving the car, I'll tell you one thing, this heat is bomb. This heat is amazing. It drives great. The transmission shifts well. Here goes maps any second now. But the transmission shifts great, it runs great, it stops great. It's sturdy. It's not giving me any issues right now, so let's hit the highway. Boys, let's let her eat. Oh! No VTEC. Like I said, man, car shifts really good. It's real sturdy. Got ourselves a clean one, boys. That hood doesn't close. I gotta be real careful. I don't know what's up with that. Let's get to New York. Hey guys, I won't lie to you, man. I drive this car every day. It looks like $25 will get me through a week and a half, man. The car is so quiet right now. It's just this window seems to be off track here. That's the only sound that I hear. But there's no clunks in the suspension, which is phenomenal. It shifts great. The motor's quiet. The heat's awesome. I got it basically off right now. The brakes are good. Need some tunes, but other than that, car's in great condition, man. I think I really lucked out on this chassis, and I found it quick. Because I hate to waste time. Man. I'm excited, man. I'm almost at the bridge. Stopped here in Jersey real quick before we get out of here to get some of this cheap gas. I'm only gonna put about $10 in it, because remember, I'm gonna drop this tank and make sure everything is clean. So, what's up, my man? Let me get $10 of the finest stuff you got. The finest. You got it? $10 of the finest stuff you got. 93. My man. Cash money, baby. I really didn't want that much gas. Now I gotta drain all that. I didn't think $10 was gonna do that, my friend. Yeah. $10, half a tank. There it is. Random moment right now. I don't know why, but I just suddenly got the urge for like a gyro with like steak fries. I really want a good, authentic gyro, but the gyros here in Yonkers suck. I gotta find a really good spot. I don't know. I know it was random, but whatever.
Keep gunning license.
My guys. So yeah, we stopped here.
With the plate?
No, that's mine. It's the dealer plate. So I stopped here at Sasong Auto Body. This is the guys that painted AK-47. So I want them to take care of all this. So basically yellow, Type R yellow, inside and out.
Love the color yellow.
Y56.
Why not?
So yellow, I was gonna ask you guys, what do you think about this front end? Since it's an original and the VINs numbers match, is it worth fixing and painting this, or should I just get some aftermarket, some stuff? Or
is it rusted?
No, it's not rusted.
It ain't rusted.
It's
Keep the original.
It's in pretty good condition. I'd rather keep it because it's original Honda. It's got matching VIN numbers and stuff like that.
Yeah, we could fix this hood. Why not? It's just got a couple little ripples in it. It ain't bad.
Yeah, I really want to keep
Strip
this
it
front.
down, make it nice.
Well, me, Zeus, and Russ are just gonna go over the car. They're gonna see how doable this full yellow is, and that's basically it. So why do you take those off, Russ?
Because this is what holds the moisture and the water and the rust, and that's why these rust out here, because of this from the factory.
For a 20-year-old car.
This is
No rust at all.
This is the best one I've ever seen.
Yeah.
So
They're always like, oh, it's bad.
So you don't recommend keeping that on, right?
No, throw it right in the garbage. You're gonna have nice paint here.
Yeah, definitely. So far, so good.
Leaving the moldings.
Gonna do the JDM flat ones.
Okay.
Yeah, they clip right in.
Body
flat.
color?
Yeah, same body. I want to just make it all yellow.
Yeah. That's the way to do it.
What's fire?
You gotta keep gunning in the diffuser. I didn't even realize
that do drip. Like
That's
I ain't been posting up on YouTube in a minute.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah, guys. KEEPGUNNIN.com, man. We have these in powder coated black. We got a whole bunch of merch that we released. Man, I feel like I haven't been on YouTube in a while, man. But the Lefty Party's almost next weekend. Honestly, I am super happy with this car. The reason you're seeing a hood like that, it's not locking, so I didn't even want to mess with it. But guys, we've got a great foundation. I got some great encouraging words from Sasong Auto Body. They said they're gonna murder this car. I mean, this yellow is gonna be incredible on it. They said that, you heard what they said. The body's not in any way, shape, or form in a bad condition. Some of the stuff that I'm taking off, bear with me. Wait until I strip the car. I don't have space to do it. Look, everything's packed inside the garage. I don't have space to do it because I know a lot of you guys are going to be like, yo, I want the motor, I want the front, or I want whatever that you're taking off. I need this. I am more than willing to help you. Just wait for me to take it apart. As soon as you start to see me begin these vlogs, we're going to start in a couple of weeks once we finish the giveaway party for Lefty, and then we'll go from there. Well, with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I love you guys, gunners. I'm going to conclude this video. Real important information. Tomorrow, Friday the 13th, March 13th, through the 15th, March 13th to March 15th, Tri-State is having an online blowout sale. You must register to the website in order to see the discounts. So you're going to save a bunch of money, guys. For all the folks that couldn't make it to the in-store one that we had a couple of weeks ago, they finally released an online sale. Huge thank you to Sasong Auto Body. You guys seen them paint the AK-47, and I think they're going to murder this car. This build means a lot to me. Suggestions in the comments. Please feel free to put them out there. Talk about what are we going to do under the hood. Talk about... I'll tell you guys right now, I'm all set on yellow with purple rims. I'm doing that, but I will take every kind of suggestion after that. Let me do that part of the build. It's going to be a K24, but any other suggestions on interior, stuff under the engine bay, you get what I'm saying, man. That's basically it. I'm glad to be back. We finally have a car to make some content with. I missed you, YouTube. KeepGunnin.com. OnlineTSM.com. Like, comment, subscribe. Keep gunning.